Alright, welcome everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to make some ramen noodles, not in the microwave. We are going to make them on the stove, believe it or not. What you may be asking is, what's all the stuff we have here? First of all, we got some tuxedo seeds, some ramen, chicken flavor. You can choose any flavor you want. That's my favorite. I like a little bit of spice. So some sriracha chili sauce. A measuring cup. A striker because my stove don't want to work right. And a nice little pot here. There we go. Alrighty. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on our pot. There we go. Let that get nice and warm. And then the second thing we're going to do is, you may be asking, why is these beers here? But I'm going to chug one. I think you need to be in the right mind. You need to be a little bit loose when you cook your ramen. That's why I'm going to do this. Alright, gonna get rid of that there. Now on the next step. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some water in this sucker here. I like to put about 2 or 3 beers worth of water in my pot. And I set it on the stove. I'm gonna let that sucker get up to a boil real quick. Second thing you can go ahead and do is get this stuff ready. You're gonna grab it right there, pull that sucker open. Yeah. Get some crumbs everywhere once in a while. We're gonna do that, and we got our little flavor packet. Some people don't like all the salt that's in the flavor packet. I love it. So I'm going to use all that. And then we're going to wait for our water to boil. Okay, now our water has come to a boil. First thing you might be asking is, our water is already in there. So what is this for? I'll show you in a second. First thing we're going to do is take our little ramen shell. We're going to drop it in the water. I'm going to shake up our little flavor packet. Unleash that mother right into there. Let it cook up with that. I forgot my little trusty spatula. We're going to kind of dip that down in there. And we're going to throw a little bit of these tuxedo seeds in there. You can do as many as you like. I just kind of poured it in there.